Excuse me.
Hello?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Are you the one in charge here?
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
I want to talk to you.
You see, you're removing
Number
registration
plates.
plates and so on. We are told there's vote which is happening here.
Here, in this very place.
Who are you?
No.
You're in charge. Come.
Yeah.
You said you're called who? You said you're in charge.
There's vote rigging going on here. That is why we're here.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Where are you going?
We have come here. We want to establish. Don't touch me, please. We want to establish what's happening here. We're told there's vote rigging here.
We are seeing cars being.
Yes, so we want to access and talk to whoever is in charge.
Yeah.
Don't allow this man to touch me. Hey.
Yeah. Don't. This is an establishment.
Don't allow this. We have had this vote rigging happening here. Who is in charge?
We are told there's vote rigging going on here, and that is why we have come here.
I want to talk to whoever is in charge.
We want the person who is in charge here. You are removing number plates from cars. You are seeing what is happening.
Yes, that's
You see what is happening?
You're removing vote.
You see what is happening here?
Why
are you taking him? Kindly don't take.
Hey, don't intimidate people, eh? Don't intimidate anyone.
Hey!
Kila watu wafume
Bobo kole bichamo sebo.
Gano makana batimona chenkoleramu.
Obala nedda.
Chikozechi? Chikasuwa mainje. Vote rigging. In KAWEMPE. Vote rigging. Bajie kama nambi, moto kisinga bazije kama nambi. Boy, kwa la kamera. Boy, Ngela tisa muntu wano. Zenkulizia. Ngela tisa muntu wano kwa mazi. Kama tisa muntu wano kwa chifesi gwe. Okolanga nduwa. Ngela tisa muntu wano. Mwana muleke. Sorry. Imuka. Bana ngasuja mumuyambe ko. Mumuyambe. Musitule mulete. Mulete musitule. Mulete. Bakuba na mawulire.